Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
There were also many other saintly demigods, kings and special royal orders called Arundayas, a special rank of Rajrishis from different dynasties of sages. When they all assembled together to meet the Emperor Parikshit, he received them properly and bowed his head to the ground. The system of bowing the head to the ground to show respect to superiors is an excellent etiquette which obliges the honoured guest deep into the heart. Even the first-grade offender is excused simply by this process, and Maharaj Parikshit, although honoured by all the rishis and kings, welcomed all the big men in that humble etiquette in order to be excused from any offences. Generally, at the last stage of one's life, this humble method is adopted by every sensible man in order to be excused before departure. In this way, Maharaj Parikshit implored everyone's goodwill for going back home, back to Godhead.